Over the past couple of months, we've seen billions of dollars pour into the crypto space, specifically into meme coins. But getting into meme coins, especially some smaller cap projects, is much like entering a lottery, except a lot of times people end up rug pulling those projects. They end up going to zero, and you really have no chance of even making money on a vast majority of them. I'm talking like there are tens of thousands of these projects launched every single month, and most of them are going to zero. So for that reason, I did recently come across a project called B Millions. It's a community-powered lottery on the Polygon network, and it's called B Millions. And the cool thing about this project is that I found it over on Twitter. And if you look on Twitter, some of the biggest names in the crypto space already follow it, but it has a very, very small following, only around 6,500 followers. If you look at it right now, already Crypto Rover and Mason Versilis follow this account, and I'm expecting big things to come, because whenever you see some big accounts follow a smaller market cap project, a smaller following project on Twitter, it usually means there's some major partnerships in the works. They have a lot of exciting developments taking place, and B Millions right now actually has a major thing coming up in the next couple of days, running through April 16th, and that is with the B Millions LBP. Right now, you could see that with this, it says, look, welcome to B Millions, the home of community-powered, disruptive, decentralized lottery where users can own their piece of the draw. B Millions is more than a lotto. It's a revolution offering unparalleled integrity and access to unlimited wins, including free jackpots and sponsored prizes. If you look at this, this is what you call a LBP. And ultimately what this is that with LBP, it's a cool way of a project raising some funds and helping to determine a price of the token. If you go ahead and you look on how to participate in an LBP, it's very simple. An LBP stands for Liquidity Bootstrapping Pool, and it ultimately enables people to get into a token, and it ultimately allows a project to have a community backing, fostering like a transparent, very engaging project. And you can see it's very simple. You just need to go about setting up a wallet, funding your wallet, connecting on the platform, buying into the LBP when it's live, and it says you simply would put in the number of tokens you want to buy and the price. And ultimately, this is something that offers a unique approach. And with B Millions LBP, it isn't yet available, but it's coming soon in 1 day, 3 hours, and 22 minutes, coming very soon. So this is a project that I would definitely be a part of, their bootstrapping liquidity pool, because of the fact that I've seen so many big accounts follow them already, and because of what they are doing. So what they are doing is ultimately trying to reinvent basically like our lottery. It says it was born as a necessity to change the way people view and play the lottery today. The current model is broken, requiring retail consumers to buy a new ticket every single week, constantly greasing the corporate wormhole of greed. And they said it gets worse. You either can't afford to always play, or life simply gets in the way. Then one day your lucky numbers are drawn and you were never in it to win it. It says we bring you a lottery that, through NFT ownership, tie you to a jackpot, and using our token ecosystem, we bring automation to your entry to ensure you never miss playing your lucky numbers. So they have a couple of different methods for this project, with like open rounds and closed rounds, but ultimately with just a single NFT lotto ticket, you're able to play every day until the prize pool is won, and it's just you versus other ticket holders every single round. You don't have to pay every single day. You don't have to be checking every single day. Ultimately, like one NFT gets you access for like until that entire prize pool is won. So you can have access for like a year or more. And it says, look, a closed jackpot, each round consists of only 11,111 NFTs. This means it's you versus 11,110 players. And ultimately, each sold out round is valued at approximately $2.5 million USD. So the odds are much higher than a traditional lottery. But then with an open jackpot, it says the open round jackpots have no maximum entries. NFT tickets sold daily, and the prize pool grows continuously until the pool is won. These rounds have no cap. Jackpots can be worth millions by the time it is won. That's going to be launching soon. They talk about minor jackpots, how every time a holder chooses to sell their NFT ticket on an aftermarket platform like Magic Eden, royalties generated from the sale are fed into the minor jackpots. As a holder of any valid major jackpot NFT, you are automatically eligible to win and play for minor jackpots. It talks about holder-only jackpots as well as loyalty jackpots. And then The last one is this thing called mini jackpots. Their token community is the soul of their decentralized lotto economy. Mini jackpots are driven by small taxes on DEX trades, and trade volume fuels pot growth. Each pot is capped at 20,000 USD before another is opened, and these are continuously happening. So they have eternal mini jackpots as well as sponsor prizes and jackpots. So ultimately phase 1A is in April of this year, releasing round 1 of closed and open NFT, major jackpot lotteries, TGE and token DEX centralized exchange listings, automation tests, limited community airdrop. Phase 1B and then phase 1C, ultimately just adding more and more utility, more jackpots, more features for each of these phases. So the cool thing about this project is that they have a total supply of 1 billion tokens. 30% is for LBP and sale, which isn't yet even live. So if you get involved during this LBP, it gives you a unique opportunity to get involved in this project before it actually launches, get in at a much better price, and it's very simple to go about doing. You just need to go ahead, connect your wallet, whether that's a MetaMask or a Trust wallet or any wallet you want. You go ahead and you simply connect your wallet, and it's because it's a Polygon Matic based project, this is something that is going to have much lower fees than another project like that's on Ethereum or some other blockchain. So this isn't yet starting just yet, but I wanted to let you know about it before it's live because it presents a unique opportunity to be prepared to get involved and get in at the lowest price possible before other people get involved.